Today we're here at Caledonia State Park in South Central PA, and we're going to be walking the Whispering Pine Nature Trail. First I had to stop and get a look at this amazing waterfall before we headed over to the trail area. This trail is just off the main road there to the right, and the park office is there. And if you go to the left, there's a parking area, and that's where we parked. And then we were able to walk across this road and down into the trail. It's raining pretty heavy today. It's the second rain hike on this channel. If you want to see the first, link in the description below. So I believe this trail's a loop, so we can go left or right here. We're gonna start left, then we'll come out the right side is the plan. Always thought this trail was unique because of the plants along the side of it. I'm not sure what these are, but they're nice. This is one of those trails that's not too long, which is good because it's pretty cold out and raining, and I don't have rainproof gear on, so nice to know the length of the trail when you're out in the rain and cold. Here is what they call DHD Island, and I'll show you why. The story is rather straightforward. Dave walked out to this island over this log and declared it DHD Island, and then walked on back and said, come check it out if you get the chance. So we are here.
Come out and hike this little trail. I know you'll love it. Check out DHD Island. Island.
And I say, hi island. Now for me, it's raining, and he made this look very easy. And I don't know how he did this so quickly. As you can see, I'm on this log and I'm working my way out to this island, and it's kind of slick, and he just made it look simple. So kudos to Dave there, and enjoy my struggle. After a lot of struggle on that log, we finally made it out to the island to check out the views. This is the Whispering Pine Nature Trail, and this is Dave Island. So Dave, if you're watching this, drop a comment down below. We have found your island. Really nice today. It's just raining, but still really pretty views. Most of the fall leaves are down. Now I got to get back across this log. It's actually pretty tricky. So let's see. I think getting back up on the log is probably the hardest part here without falling in the water. Log, the water. Should be interesting. I shimmied kind of sideways on the way up. I just don't want to fall in, so. And they're wet today. I mean, they're always wet, but they're like extra slip. Oh, because it's raining. There went my foot. Okay. Get both of my feet on this log here. My foot went down in there. All right, let's get up here. And then hopefully shimmy. Not sure how he did this. Carefully, I guess. All right, standing up. Now we got a shimmy is the plan. There's the water. Here's the log. Now we got a shimmy. All right, good coordination exercise. Thankfully, I got boots on, so I don't think my foot got too wet there, but we'll see once it soaks in. This log is just getting more slick. Oh, almost lost it there. All right, and we're back. Onward. Starting to get a little bit wet now. You can see the raindrops coming down and hitting me. So yeah, just on we go. And I think this is a pretty short trail, so should work out. Kind of planned that. It looks like this is the turn around, and now we're going on this other side of the loop. Something big just fell there. All right, I'm sure you probably heard that. Something big just fell. Ooh. Something big's back in there, man. Gonna keep moving. I don't think something fell. I think there was something big back in there. Yeah, we're just gonna keep moving here. That was weird. I'll have to play that back then and see if I caught anything. That was weird. That was super weird. No, I don't see nothing. All right, on we go. Just keep my eyes peeled now. Almost looks like a beaver there or something. Ah, the one tree that hasn't completely turned yet. I think I'm still hearing that sound, so I'm just gonna keep the camera turned around there, just in case. Huh. Oh, we're almost back to the main entrance, so got that going for us. Whoa, that one was loose. Whoa. Some more there, but not very helpful. There's people out there now on the other side of the trail. We made our way back to the main entrance area here, and now we're gonna go on the other side of this bridge and check out the view from that little peninsula area. And here we are on this side. Just wanted to gather a few more pictures and nice views before I headed out.